New hires. All ladders have to be ratchet strapped down. And they also, when they're not being used or unmanned, all ladders have to be locked to the van. Wonderful Steve is going to show us how to do a ratchet strap. So talk it out, Steve.
You close this.
Close it all the way.
Yep. Stick the just strap through here.
It's through. Can you angle it a little bit? Yeah. All right. Good. Good. So remember to be closed. Now, Steve, we seem to be working on a budget. We got a little bit of frayed ends, but that doesn't matter. So you're gonna make sure it's all straight.
Yep. Pull it tight.
And then you're pulling this up a little bit, and then you're just gonna do what, Steve?
I'm gonna start ratcheting.
That's tight, Steve. And then Steve, look at that. That sucker ain't moving. Now, how do we release it?
What you do is you hit the release button on here.
Let's see how you do it.
Put it all the way up to here. It snaps.
God, that's amazing. It snaps and it takes it all out.
Yep.
Let me see how you do it again, Steve. I love the way you ratchet. My God, it's magnificent. That's good. So we close it all the way back. Just like sewing. Putting the eye in the needle. Do you understand that reference?
No.
Yeah, I'm a little older than you. Once I sewed a Star Trek uniform, that's a whole different story.
You're gonna need some new straps.
Yeah. Well, after this training video, all the new hires,
We'll all have to do this.
All have to do that. Now, great thing what Steve did was he didn't get it straight on. So you have to make sure it's not twisted and straight. Good. Now ratchet that bad boy up. This video may seem comical, but it's very important. And no matter how many techs I've had, a lot of people can't do even ratchet straps. Power of YouTube is amazing. And that's tight. Steve, that's amazing. You're amazing and handsome at the same time. Like and subscribe and see more videos with Steve. Say goodbye, Steve.
See you guys later.